Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a chart in TradingView, a skill that can save you hours of manual charting, help you learn from experienced traders, and allow you to build on great trading ideas quickly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find, copy, and make any TradingView chart your own. So let's jump right in. First off, we're starting from the TradingView homepage. If you're already logged in, great, you'll see all your familiar tools in the navigation bar at the top. What you want to do here is take your mouse and hover over to the Community tab. This is usually at the top navigation, and if you just rest your cursor there for a second, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. It might take a brief moment to load if your internet is being a little slow. Don't worry, just give it a second. In this drop-down, look for the Trading Ideas option and give it a click. Trading Ideas is basically the hub for all sorts of charts and analysis that other users from around the world have posted. Think of it like a giant library where everyone's best thoughts, strategies, and insights are shared. If you're ever stuck or just looking for inspiration, this is the place to be. Now, once you're inside the Trading Ideas section, you'll see a whole feed of charts, everything from simple trend lines to really complex strategies using technical indicators. If you see something you like or something you want to learn more about, click directly on that chart or idea. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that really catches your eye, or search for a specific ticker or strategy if you have something more targeted in mind. When you've opened up a post with a chart you want to copy, don't start screenshotting or redrawing anything just yet. Look just below the chart for a button or link that says something like "Grab the chart." Sometimes the wording might change if TradingView updates their UI, but it'll typically say "Grab the chart" or something similar. Go ahead and click this. It might take a second, but what it's doing is actually preparing a direct copy of that chart setup for you. This isn't just an image, it's the actual chart layout, including indicators, lines, and annotations, all ready to be copied straight into your own account. After you've clicked Grab the chart, TradingView will prompt you to open it or copy it into your account. If you've never used this feature before, it's honestly a game changer. It means you don't have to reconstruct every indicator, color scheme, or drawing by hand. It's literally like someone handing you their finished homework for you to study or edit. Now, before you start experimenting or making notes, it's a really good idea to rename the chart so you don't get it mixed up with any of your others. Just find the option to rename, usually at the top of your chart screen, often by clicking on the chart's current name. Give it a clear name, something that makes sense for what the chart is about or reminds you of the strategy. For example, ETH Breakout Idea June 2024 or RSI Divergence Example. And there you go, you've now successfully copied, saved, and made a TradingView chart your own. This simple workflow will help you level up your charting game and learn hands-on from some of the best traders in the community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need extra help, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. For more trading tips and tutorials like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.